If you need more time, you can pause the video. Question 1. You buy 5 pens for $60. How many pens for $180? $15 pens. Question 2. Which day will come after 63 days if today is Monday? Monday. Question 3. What is the value of this problem? The result is 0. Question 4. You pay with a $500 note. The shopkeeper gives $350 change. How much was the book? $150. Question 5. A man buys a horse for $60, sells it for $70. Buys it again for $80, sells it for $90. What's his profit? $20. Question 6. I am a number. Multiply me by 2 and add 8. The result is 26. What number am I? The number is 9. Question 7. Find odd one out. Sunday is not a month. Question 8. If I'm 3 times as old as my son now, and in 10 years I'll be twice as old, how old is my son? $10 years. Question 9. What comes next? $196. Question 10. You buy 3 pens for 30 rupees. How many pens can you buy for 120 rupees? $12 pens.